Hi guys, I am Vishnu and welcome to my channel iClicks. Today I will show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on your single iPhone. So here we go. Go to Safari browser, type EMU for iOS and search it. Click on the first site. You will find WhatsApp Plus Plus. Click on it and click on Get. Then install. It will take a few seconds to install. My internet connection is little bit poor, so it will take little time. Here it is on. You can now see that I have two WhatsApp accounts. Click on WhatsApp Plus Plus. You will get one message saying untrusted app. Go to setting and go to the general and then go in the device management. Click on Beijing Nation Sky Network Technology profile. Then click on Trust Beijing Nation Sky Network and then click on Trust. Now WhatsApp Plus Plus is verified. Go back to home screen and open WhatsApp Plus Plus. The good thing is that you can send more than 50 MB file. I am sending one file which is more than 50 MB on my another number. Preparing to send. Now the file is being sent. Oh my god, the file is sent. Here is that file which is on my another number. I hope you guys liked my video. For more interesting video, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share.